guys, and in today's video I'm going to be taste testing some crisp. We have Pringles cheesy cheese, I've never tried these, and salt and vinegar. So I was originally going to have a third one, but I couldn't find the third crisp bag I need to try, so I'm going to do a challenge after the taste test. So I'm going to start off with cheesy cheese, so yeah. Okay. Just trying it. Alright, here it is. Time to taste it. Not bad. 9 out of 10. Right, hang on. Alright guys, I got some water just in case I don't like it, and I'm just gonna drink some water now to get the taste out for the salt and vinegar. Alright, time to try salt and vinegar chips. Alright. Oh, they smell bad. Alright. I'm really nervous. Oh. Oh, nah. That's terrible. I'm never eating that again. No way, guys. Never eating that again. Okay, guys. I've just been looking through the drawer and I just found another thing I need to. So yeah, let me just open it. I'll be right back. Also, by the way, guys, I'm not sure if these are granola bars, and yeah. So, wait, there's two. Alright, here's the granola bar. Time to taste test it. Yeah, I rate these a 3 out of 10. 5 out of 10. But these have got chocolate chips, and if you can't see, wait. Right next to my pinky there. No. Yeah, that's why I gave it a 5 out of 10. Also, guys, if you're wondering what's holding up my phone right now, it's actually my tripod. And I got it for my birthday, which was today. And my dad's just finished setting it up. And now I've got a tripod for my video. Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, I'm going to be adding an extra challenge in this, which is ketchup. So yeah, we're gonna start off with the Pringles and do what we did again. Okay, by the way, if these are granola bars, after watching Mr. Beast Gaming, he said ketchup on granola bars are terrible, so hopefully they're not granola bars. So, cheesy cheese chip, Pringle, I mean. Alright. Where's it coming out? Alright. The things I do for you guys. The things I do. Alright. Taste test in 3, 2, 1. I haven't really got the ketchup on, so let me take it off. Oh! That's horrible. Surprisingly, I love ketchup, but not on them. No way. Right, if you heard who that was just my nana. I have a feeling this is gonna be the worst one I'm gonna have, because my last reaction, this was horrible. Right. There's the ketchup.
Nice to see those guys aren't showing each other
Right.
that.
Oh, no. Hang on. Alright. Oh. Oh. Horrible. I hope this gets a lot of views, this video. Alright, final one. Granola bar. Let's hope this is a lot better than the other two. Hang on, let me just get it on the edge. I keep missing, and it's all of my hand. Hang on, I have an idea. I'm just... Right. 1, 2. It's not really that bad, guys. Not really that bad. Not actually good. Yeah, Mr. Beast is a liar. Guys, please don't send hate in the comments. I was just joking. I might not even be them. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, like, notifications. Comment down below what snack I should try next and put ketchup on. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye, guys.